Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape AppSumo to build your next lead generation list. The tools I'm using in this video are Hexomatic for the scraping and Apollo.io for the email enrichment. You can use any kind of email enrichment for the same results. First of all, we need a two-part scraper. If you've not used Hexomatic, they've got some predefined workflows which I'm using here. I have modified some of these for my own personal needs, but these are just the basic ones here. What a two-part scraper does, it does one thing first, and then straight after it does another thing. And these things look like this. If we go to the first part, it's visiting AppSumo's product page and it's scraping all of the details from here. And what I mean by scraping, it's just collecting information which you define. So if you want the image, that's cool. You can ask it to export the image into a spreadsheet for you. I am exporting all of the information that is relevant for lead generation. After it's done this scrape, it then visits the product page. You can see here, we've got the product URL. It will then visit the product URL, you can see here, and extract further information. So this one about Rumble Studio, and it will grab the image, and it will grab the reviews and things like that. When that is complete, your data will look like this, which is very nice and organized. We've got the company names, we've got the type of deal, we've got a short description of the company, we've got the price, we've got the reviews. The reviews may be really useful for qualifying your company. Lots of reviews means you reach out to them. No reviews, you may skip them. Long description of the companies, we got an overview of the company. If we keep scrolling, let's have a look here. We've got the deal terms and conditions. We have got the website URL, which is the most important thing for lead generation. Without the website URL, it becomes very long-winded to get the company's email address. You don't just want the info at email address, you want the CEO, the founder, the CTO, someone who is a decision maker for the offer you are trying to sell. So from here, we need to import these companies into Apollo. And this is where it gets interesting because Apollo has a big database of, I think it's around about 250 million people, which is a lot of people if you think about it. So when you import these companies, Apollo will display them like this. And you can see here, the companies in our lead list are now on Apollo. So we can then start reverse engineering and build a lead generation list right from the company list we scraped from AppSumo. So just to recap, we've gone to AppSumo, we've scraped the details, we've compiled it into a spreadsheet, we've got the website URL, we've imported them into Apollo to start building our list. And you can do the import if you select companies, import, bulk import by CSV, upload a load of web URLs, it will start building the list for you. So now if I save these to a list, which I've already done, you just select all, you go to list and then you choose the list. If you go back to people and we select via the list we have just saved, we've got everyone we need for this scrape. So you can see here we have got the creative director for Nova AI, which is useful. We got the founder and CTO for Delve AI, which is also very useful. These people are in here. So if we look for Delve AI, we have got their company information right here. And now we have got the founder and CTO's information. So you could scrape these details, enrich them in Apollo and download them. Then when you start to build your lead generation list, import the spreadsheet back into Google Docs, clean it up, and then you can decide who you reach out to. So you can see the companies here. We've got Tascade, we've got the co-founder information, we've got the CEO, we've got the CTOs, the same for Rumble Studio. Now, when you're emailing these people, if you email a CEO and after like 5 follow-ups you don't get a response, try the CTO's information and sort of cycle your lead gen around that. If you get no response whatsoever, we've got the LinkedIn, we've got the websites, we've got the company LinkedIn, we've got the Facebook, we've got the Twitter, everything you need to build an omni approach to lead generation. I hope that video has helped. If you're stuck with scraping, drop me a message. And of course, if you like this video, leave me a subscribe on my channel. It'll help a lot. Thanks very much. Cheers.